kworo nwụọ. He died because of me. An old gospel song. Ndewo. This is Yvonne and welcome to Learn Igbo Now Challenge. Our lesson for today is titled kworo nwụọ. He died because of me. And it's an old Igbo Gospel Song which was made popular, I think, in the 70s by a very well-known gospel group at the time called Voice on the Cross. It's a very short song made up of 3 sentences, and it will be very easy for you to learn. And so before we start, there are 4 key words that we'll learn from this song. And these words are kworo. Kworo is a dialectical variation of jimaka, which means because of. So sometimes you might not hear kworo in normal speak, and sometimes you might hear it. And if you hear kworo, it means jimaka. And if you hear jimaka, you know it also means kworo, because of. Kworo m wee bịa taa. He came here today because of me. Kworo, jimaka, because of. Nwụọ, die or died, depending on the usage. Achọghị m ka osisi a nwụọ. I don't want this tree to die. Nwụọ, die or died. Typically, the past tense for died is nwụrụ. But like I said, it depends on the usage. But the more you hear Igbo, the more you know when to use which one. Nwụọ, die or died. N'elu, on top of. Ọ dị n'elu osisi, it is on top of the tree. N'elu, on top of. Obe, cross. Obe, cross. And that means the Christian cross. Ready? Let's begin. Before we continue, I'm going to tell you that I'll sing this song 3 times. But on the worksheet, it only shows it once, but you just sing it 3 times. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Kworo nwụọ, kworo nwụọ, onye nwe anyị kworo nwụọ, n'elu obe kworo nwụọ, kworo nwụọ, kworo nwụọ, onye nwe anyị kworo nwụọ, n'elu obe kworo nwụọ, kworo nwụọ, kworo nwụọ, onye nwe anyị kworo nwụọ, n'elu obe kworo nwụọ, kworo nwụọ, kworo nwụọ, onye nwe anyị kworo nwụọ, n'elu obe kworo nwụọ. And so the words we've learned on this song, kworo, which also means jimaka, depending on the dialect you're speaking. Kworo, jimaka, because of. Nwụọ, die or died. N'elu, on top of. Obe, cross. In conclusion, always remember that practice makes perfect, and that each effort you make brings you closer to your Igbo language and cultural learning goals. Ka o mesịa. See you on the next lesson.